Indirect evidence for the existence of atoms. Laws of chemical combination. Question 5. A sample of ascorbic acid, or vitamin C, is synthesized in the laboratory. It contains 30 grams of carbon and 40 grams of oxygen. Another sample of ascorbic acid, isolated from lemons, contains 12.7 grams of carbon. Compute the mass of oxygen in grams in the second sample. We'll start by organizing the information we're given. So the sample from the laboratory contains 30.0 grams of carbon and 40.0 grams of oxygen. From the lemon, we have 12.7 grams of carbon plus an unknown mass of oxygen. The ascorbic acid contained in the laboratory sample and that in the lemon are identical. That means that the ratio of carbon and oxygen will be the same in both samples. So the ratio of oxygen to carbon is 40 grams of oxygen to 30 grams of carbon. We get this ratio from the laboratory synthesized sample. This simplifies to 4/3. We can now apply this ratio to the mass of carbon in the lemon sample, knowing that this ratio is consistent between both samples. So 4/3 times 12.7 grams of carbon, this is going to give us our grams of oxygen, and 4/3 times 12.7 grams equals 16.933 repeating grams of oxygen. With correct significant figures, we have 16.9 grams of oxygen in the second sample.